Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So as you see, we are shopping. First stop, Kroger. My goal is to spend at least, well, not at least, at the most 200, honestly under 200 for all my groceries for the month. So that is what we're doing. First stop, like I said, was Kroger. Next stop will be Aldi's. And that is basically pretty much it. Stay tuned to see if I made my mark and also to see, what I got on this pescatarian diet. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And stay tuned because we dropping more. Best believe. But okay, love you guys. Keep watching. Okay, y'all. I went to 2 different stores, so I have a lot. I'm gonna start with Aldi's first. From Aldi's, I actually get my veggies and fruit and like little things that they have that I just want. And then from Kroger, I get like my fish, my pasta, like things of that nature, like that stuff. So yeah, back to Aldi's. Broccoli, cucumber, cantaloupe, I have blackberries and strawberries, a big bag of kale. I wanted a bigger one of this, but a small thing of baby spinach, some zucchini. I'm actually a fan of zucchini, not really a fan of squash. Y'all probably ain't care, but whatever. Some asparagus spears. I like fresh veggies, however, I don't know when I'm gonna cook them, so it's easier to just get frozen. This is a little snack. I don't eat yogurt. Most people put stuff like this in yogurt, but I just like to snack on them. Like, I love cranberries and I love almonds. And in a granola mix, you got me. Got some apples. Some honey. I'm obsessed with honey. You will see me with honey all the time. Got some celery. Raspberries. Green beans. I got tortellini. This one is the 3 cheese tortellini. And then I got spinach and mozzarella ravioli. Okay. This is for the tortellini marinara. I said marinara sauce for the tortellinis. I'm probably gonna have the tortellinis tonight. Then I needed some pepper. So I got some pepper. And then I got a bunch of canned goods. So I don't like canned goods. I really don't. But it's just easier. And I strain everything before I actually cook with it. I don't just like pour the can into the pot. I actually rinse and soak everything to get all that extra stuff off of it. I mean, of course I'm not gonna get everything off of it because it's already embedded in it, but I get most of it. So I got about I'm obsessed with French green beans. So I got about 5 of these. Well, 4. I like even numbers. I got 4 of those. I don't know if it's just me, but I love sweet peas. So I got 2 of these. You doctor them up. Doctor them up. Then I got some black eyed peas, 2 of these. Well, no, I got 1 black eyed peas, 2 kidney beans. I'm obsessed with kidney beans. Obsessed. And then I got some corn. So that's all I got from Aldi's. And I spent, I want to say $50 at Aldi's. I want to say $50. So I spent like $50. Now we're about to get into this Kroger. Kroger. I'll be back. Most of the stuff is snacks and little things of that nature because I don't want people coming over not being able to eat. So, and for me as well. So I got cuties. These are not even cuties. These are freaking adorbs, but whatever. Got some cuties. 2 bags, because in my house, this thing goes. 2 bags of cuties. Save the best. Save the best. I got some chips. I got some cheddar sour cream ruffles. Honey barbecue. This is my favorite. And some sour cream and onion. Okay, so I'm really trying to stay away from dairy, but just not right now. I mean, I already took cow milk out of my diet, and I don't really consume that much cheese, but I wanted some shrimp quesadillas, so we got some cheese. Got some cheese. Got some tortillas. I got some fettuccine noodles because I love pasta and I just want it to be in there. I got some white rice. I mean yellow rice. I got some yellow rice. What's in there? Ooh, I got more bags. I got more bags. Okay. I got the big, I feel like my table's about to break. I got the big bag of, you're really not supposed to consume stuff that you don't really know how to say, but that's okay. So I got the basmati rice. Big bag. I am a riceaholic. I'm trying to get into brown rice because I know white rice isn't really that healthy for you. But hey, that's pretty. Aww, I got the milk. He needs some milk. Got 2 almond milks because these go fast in my house as well. 2 almond milks. Okay, do not look at me crazy, but I like pure cranberry juice. I don't know why, but I like it. I love it. I love it. It's not even a like. And I got juice for the house. I got white cranberry peach. I'm a Kroger brand type of girl, so are you with your mama? Grape cranberry. And cran apple. I love cran apple. But yeah, on a regular day though, I'm drinking a regular cranberry juice. What is in here? I'd be so surprised. I got 2 Alfredo sauces. Usually I make the Alfredo from scratch, but I'm not. Certain types of pasta I do, but sometimes it's just quicker and easier this way. So Alfredo sauce. Then I make sure I stack up on this. I do like fresh salmon. All these are gonna be disclaimers, obviously. I do like fresh salmon, but I did my research. Frozen salmon isn't bad, especially wild caught. I don't get anything that says farm raised at all, not even the shrimp. So wild caught salmon, I get 2 bags of these, just so they'll be ready. And then I get 2 bags of shrimp. Raw. I don't know how to cook shrimp. It's already cooked, so like I was making it rubbery, like. So I would get raw shrimp. Then we are almost done. Oh, I got me 2 bottles of wine. Menage a Trois silk. And another Menage a Trois silk. I said that wrong. Menage a Trois. And then of course I got 2 things of water. I'm not picking that up. I'm not picking that up. But yeah, this is everything. So now I'm about to actually go into everything and organize. I already cleaned out my refrigerator, so I'm sorry you guys are not gonna get to see that. But I guess I can show you guys me reorganizing my pantry because yeah, I kind of just threw stuff in there. So let's go. So I did hit my mark. I only ended up spending $188. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. So yes, but I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this little, you know, is it an ASMR? Is that like voice? I don't know, but y'all gonna see me put stuff together. I like watching people like organize stuff and like put stuff together. So like I wanted to do that for you guys because that's stuff I like to watch. So enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, keep watching because it's fun. You know, like I'm doing big girl things right now, like organizing and I feel so like grown. But okay, love you guys. Thank you for watching.